Careful, you'll fall. This is the front yard. Lucas is leaving tracks in the snow. Where are you, Lucas? Huh? Can you say hi? Lucas wave. Hi. I hope everybody can see that the snowflakes are really large coming down. You wanna make a snowball? Here, Lucas. Hold on to it. I'll hold it. You see a snowball. You can get it. Hold on to it. Throw it. Throw it. You want to throw it? Okay, throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Look at Lucas's little snowball. You gonna throw it? Throw it on the porch. You put it on a bush. Okay. Alright, let's go in the house. Come here. Come here. This way, Lucas. Come run this way.